How to find square root of 3,063,609 by long division method? You need to first make pair. You need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair, this is your third pair. Now we'll work on this pair, third pair from this side. 36. You have to take here a number whose square will be equal to 36 or near to 36. So if you take here 6, then 6 squared equal to 36, which is equal, right? So take here 6. Same digits will come to the quotient side also. 6 times 6, 36. Subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down to the next pair, 36. 0, 36 means actually 36. Okay. Since you have placed here the digit 6, same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add. 6 plus 6, 12. Take here a digit, same digit will come here and you need to multiply. The product will be equal to 36 or near to 36. 1 to this times this. If you take here, look, 1, then 1 times 121 means 121, which is greater than 36. So our guessing number 1 is not correct. So what will you take here? You can take here 0, right? And 0 times 120. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 2, 0, 0. That is overall 0. 0 times 120 is 0. If you subtract, you are getting 36. Okay. Bring down the next pair, 0, 9. Look, you have placed here the digit 0, so same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add. So if you add, you are getting 120. Now you need to consider another digit here. Okay. And if you multiply this times this, that will be equal to 3,609. So what will be that? Look, 120 and here this. If you place here, look, 3 and check. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 1, 3. 3,609, which is equal to this. So our guessing number 3 is correct, right? So 3 times this 1,203 is 3,609. Subtract 0. Since you have placed here the digit 3, so same digit will come here. 3 plus 3, 6, 0, 2, 1. The double of 603 is this, 1,206. So our answer 603 is correct. So the square root of 3,063,609 by long division method is 603.